Hello and welcome. So now we are going to make another Tkinter application. So this application would be a image resizer and a viewer. So with this application, we can view the image as well as we can resize the image. And after resizing, we are also able to save the image. So let me just show you that application. So this is how our image viewer application would look like. From here, we can select any image to load. So let me just select any image. So let's say I have selected this image. So we are able to view the image. So now let me just try to resize the image. So if you see here, if I just try to change the width here, so proportionally the height would also change. So it's not like that from rectangle image we can just try to make a square image, because it wouldn't make any sense, right? So these are smart enough to resize in a proportional order. So let me just try to change the height here. So if I just say height is 100, so it would just say width would be 72. So I just need to update only one of the data. So let's just say I'm just saying that my width would be 300. So as you can see, the height is getting changed to 410. So now if you want to see the preview, so let's say the width is 300 and height is 4110. So if I just want to see the preview, I just can click on resize. So now we can see that image would look like this. So now let's say I just want to make this height as 100. So the height would be 132 is proportional to this 100. So let me just try to resize it. So as we can see, my image would look like this. And we are also able to save this image. So let's say this is the image size that we want. So now I can click on save, and here I can give any name. So let me just try to give name as a one image, and I can save it. So now let me just try to load other image. So let's say I'm just trying to load this image. So I can see this is a big size image. So I'm able to view this image. Now let me just try to change the height and width of this guy. So I would just say my height would be 50. So width would be 44. So now let me just try to resize it. So I can do so. Now let me just try to open the image which I have just resized it and saved it. So that was the image one, or I would just say the one image. So here we can see that this is the one that we have just resized into. So this is the application that we are going to make from the next videos.